Hi guys, we have one new product. It's called mini wireless camera. You can use as a spy or hidden camera. So let's see what we have inside an envelope. First of all, we have a user manual. Then we have one USB charging camera with micro USB port. Then we have a camera. And it's a stand for the camera. Okay, so let's see what we have in this camera. First of all, over here we have an on-off button. We have a power light indicator. We have a mic over here. And this is a mode button. You can reset the camera password. Over here we have a SD card slot. Over here we have a charging port. You can just plug micro USB cable over here and charge with the help of your USB. On back side we have a camera unique ID mentioned with a QR code, and below that we have a magnetic small magnetic installed in the camera. So with the help of this stand, with the help of this magnet, you can just put your camera on stand like this. Just one click, and whenever you want you can just pull it off. And this is a camera, this is a camera stand, and you can just adjust the size, like angle, whichever you like. And over here we have given one 3mm stick, so you just peel it off and stick over whenever you want, like wherever you want. And we are one giving this extra stick, so if you don't want to use this stand, you can just use this one, and you can connect wherever you want. Okay, so let's see how can we connect this camera to our Android and Apple phones with the help of this application. You can also install desktop application to view this camera. And in manual we have given one QR code. With the help of this QR code you can download iOS application, Android application and desktop application. So let's see how we can connect this device to our Android phones. So first of all, we are going to download a application. It's called P2P Live Cam. If you go in your Google Play Store, just type over here P2P Live Cam. So install this application. Before going application, this is a P2P camera, so you need to connect your camera with your Wi-Fi, like you need to connect with your access point. So go to your settings, Wi-Fi, and make sure you on the camera. Hold the camera power button until you can see blue light over here. Now go to your Wi-Fi and search the camera. So this is a unique ID. It will also reflect in your Wi-Fi setting once you get. Okay, this is a CM54EC. Just connect it, so it will give you a message connected. There is no internet, it will not require internet right now. Okay, first of all, now go to P2P Live, and over here on the right corner you can see add sign. Just click over here and you can see add new online device. So it's already online, like means it's connected with your phone. You can just click over here, and over here you can use this UID, it's mentioned, but you can also scan a QR code and you can search a LAN over here. You can see live camera IP over here. Just click over there, and if you want to change the name, you can just give whatever name you want and just click OK. So you can see over here it's login right now, and it's online. Just click once. So it will ask you to change the password. If you want to change the password from default to your custom password, you can do it, or you just click skip over here. Wow. So you can just click over here when it's online, and from here you can change your password from default to custom. You can change with whatever you like. Just click skip. So it will give you live feed from the camera, and with the help of this setting you can just change the resolution with HD to high or normal or low bandwidth. Over here you can just click and adjust the brightness, and over here you can take a sound from this camera to your phone, and you can with the below options you can also speak with your loved ones or mic. With the help of this phone button, your like snapshot button, you can take a snapshot and you can record the video as well. And in setting you can see there's a lots of setting: alarm, turn on alarm, modification device, delete device, reconnect, and device setting. Once we go in device setting, you can see lots of configuration over here. With the help of this alarms configuration, you can alarm or motion detection. Wi-Fi setting, you can connect the camera to your Wi-Fi, local home Wi-Fi, so whenever you are not available home, you can still access this camera outside from your home. SD card, like if you install SD card, and if you want to set up like recording time, duration, and the file size, you can do with the help of this SD card setting. IR setting, like if you want to turn off this indication light and the night vision light, you can do adjust with the help of this IR setting. Time setting, you can adjust the time, like sync time, like your application time to your camera time. Change password, you can change your camera access password. Device reboot, you can also easily device reboot from your application. And reset camera, you can reset your camera. Let's go in alarm configuration. With the help of this motion detection, you can adjust the motion sensitivity over here, like how sensitive and you want. And the range of motion detection is approx 2 meter. With the help of alarm schedule, you can just start, and it will give you like a time duration from start and end. You can just adjust the time and turn it on. And alarm tone, if you want alarm notification on your mobile, and you can also adjust the alarm interval as well as alarm interval to 30 to 300 seconds. Alarm mode, you can also if you want to receive alarm messages, you can click over here. And on screen display, you can also click or on or off. There is a button to on off over here. Now let's go back and check Wi-Fi configuration. With the help of this Wi-Fi configuration, it's giving you available Wi-Fi network. So what if you want to access this IP, this P2P camera outside your home? You can just configure your home Wi-Fi and give the passkey and click OK. So it will connect with your wireless. So no longer need, like on same network you have, like no longer need to available near the camera. But you can, if you are in the office and if you want to watch your, if you want to see what happened in your home, so you can just access this application and you can see. And SD card recording configuration, like you can give recording time, like all day on alarm recording or timing recording. And you can also set a resolution over here, and you can also set a file length, like if you want all day recording, but if you want small files, small duration file, you can also set 1 to 60-minute file. If you want to also record that time, you can also click over here. And if you want loop recording, like if you want overwriting the old file, erasing, and the new file is stored, you can also do it from here. With the help of this time setting, you can adjust your time with the application and your camera. And this is a work LED, like if you want to turn off this LED, like if no one able to notice this, you can also notice. And if you want to flicker as well, you can do it over here. And with the help of this access access P2P password change. You can also change your password, like if you want to give someone access, you can give new password over here. And device reboot and reset the device. So it's easy to set up and easy to configure. You can also watch your live video feed from wherever you all around the world. Just make sure this device is connected to your Wi-Fi router, configure perfectly, and you can also easily hide this device. It's a small and tiny one, so it's easily hide in your office, in your home, wherever you want.